and welcome back. Phonics is what we've got today. That is, we want to talk about sound of the letters. We want to know the sound that A has, B has, C, and so on. Are you ready? Here we go. The first letter is letter A. We've got capital letter A and small letter a. So the sound is a, a, a. Now capital letter B and small letter b. The sound is b, b, b. Very simple. Is the lips, your lips, when they touch each other, that they give you b, b, b. Thanks. Letter A, letter B, b. Thanks. Now letter C, capital letter C, small letter c. The sound is k, k, k. And now letter D, capital letter D, small letter d. The sound d, d, d. Thanks. Capital letter C, k, and letter D, d. Thanks. Now letter E. The sound e, e, e. And now letter F. The sound f, f, f. Thanks. Letter E, a. Letter F, f. Thanks. Thank you. Letter G. The sound g, g, g. Now letter H. Thanks. Letter G, g, and letter H. Thank you. Now letter I. The sound E, E, E. Now letter J. The sound J, J, J. Thank you. And now letter K. The sound K, K, K. Now letter L. L, L, L. Thank you, letter K, K. And thank you, letter L, L. Now letter M, 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 M. It is simple. Here too is just the lips that when they touch each other, they give you M, M. Followed by letter N, the sound N, N, N. This one, your tongue touches the roof of the mouth so that it gives you N, N. So thanks letter M, M, and thanks letter N, N. and this is O. The sound O, 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 followed by letter P. The sound P, P, P. Thank you, letter O, O, and letter P, P. To letter Q. The sound Qua, Qua, Qua. And here now, letter R. The sound R, R, R. If you listened carefully, I did not say letter R. If I say letter R, that is American. But if I say letter R, that is British. Okay? Thank you, letter Q, Qua, and letter R, R. Thanks. Now, letter S. The sound S, S, S. We move to letter T. That is letter T. The sound T, T, T. Thank you, letter S. And letter T, T. To letter U. The sound A, A, A. To letter V. The sound V, V, V. Thank you, letter U, A. And letter V, V. This is letter W. The sound W, W, W. To letter X. The sound X, X, X. It is simple. It is two sounds that you've got to make the X sound. That is K and S, K and S. Then you have X. Thank you, letter W, W, and letter X, X. We are approaching the end. This is letter Y. The sound Y, Y, Y. And the last, letter Z. The sound Z, Z, Z. Thank you, letter Y, Y. And Z2. Then now let's have a look at here. This is letter C. The sound you remember is K, K, K. But if you listened carefully, letter K2, we heard K, K, K. This shows you that S, letter C, K, letter K, K. Take it like that before we continue, and then later on you see the difference. Step by step we will take it. Okay, then very important here, letter U with the sound A, 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 And this now, letter A, the sound is a, a, a. This means that if you do not listen attentively, you might think that U and A are the same. They are not. Um, we will try to give you examples of the letter U and the letter A next time when we meet. I hope that was useful and great. Thanks for now. Bye for now. Until next time.